Internet, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. This is my second how-to video, and it's really not to show you how to do it. This is to show you how I did it and maybe give you ideas on how you can do it, because I don't think anybody would want to duplicate what I did, but it seems like it worked. And so that's because you can't handle the controller. So the idea is, if my controller is fastened securely to the handlebars, now I think I can do it. I'm going now to test it, but before I do, I want to show you how I built it. So stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, you know all the stuff. And thanks for watching. While watching Regan Rides' video, I saw his RAM-mounted DJI controller, and I knew I had to have one. I looked on Amazon and nothing. But this is so simple. I bet I can build one in a matter of hours. I remembered some sheet metal I used on the dog-powered bicycle that should work. It was an idea that I could just never get to work. Okay, so we 한ron이你可以帮助我，我需要
螺丝啊，
对螺丝，我需要这个。Look at you， 你
不行啊。
We'll just see how it does. I've used the super glue and the baking soda. I don't like that wobble. I know it's going to be a problem. I thought of using a cork as a brace to stiffen it up. It seems to work. Okay. I've got my controller mounted to my handlebars on the ram mount, and everything looks good. And so now, I mean, I'm kind of clogged up. I wouldn't ride around generally with this without taking it off. But what I want to do is just see if there's any problems with it. So I just moved, you know, with the ram mount, you can move it around. So I just moved it. So now I can drive with this thing on, and I can see my dashboard and everything works.